Hey, it's Blake with FilterTime. We're gonna have a little bit of fun with some flour. Literally just pulled this out of the kitchen pantry at my house, and I wanna show you what these two filters do against this flour. So this is just a cheap throwaway filter, you know, a few bucks compared to our most popular filter, MERV 11 allergen preferred filter. This is what 85% of our customers purchase from us. And let's just see what the flour does. We know this provides great airflow. Customers love it. We've shipped out over 100,000 of these things and people love this filter. Let's just see what it blocks. So first up, the cheap filter. I'll just angle this here and see what goes through. I mean, a lot. And let's check it out with our allergen preferred filter. I'll even give it some force. Did you see anything? I can't tell. Can anything come out? Nothing. All right, so this one clearly looks a lot better. So this flour represents a lot of the particles that could be in your house, dust, pollen. So with this filter, all of this would be traveling through your ductwork, if your returns in your wall or ceiling, through your ductwork, into your unit, your expensive HVAC system, and then spread out again throughout your entire home. This looks a lot better. Let's go with this one. So if you want to try out our filters, go to FilterTime.com. You can choose our allergen filter, our allergen preferred filter, or even an allergen supreme filter. Hope to have you as a customer, and thanks for watching. Well, that was fun.